can't believe it. A 1950 Mercedes-Benz 170S just sitting here. What a find.
She's rough. 70 years of neglect really took its toll on the paint and the glass.
Target acquired. Repeat, target acquired. We need extraction at these coordinates now. It's the 1950 Mercedes.
This 1950 Mercedes 170S hadn't been touched in decades. Extracting it would be the hardest part of the restoration.
After decades hidden in the forest, the 1950 Mercedes 170S finally sees the light.
Look at the state of this fender. I honestly didn't expect the corrosion to be this extensive. This is going to be a massive undertaking. This old girl is rough. Look at us.
As you can see, the interior is completely shot. The leather is dry rotted, and the floor pan will need extensive work. It's hard to believe this was once a luxury interior. But beneath the rot and the leaves, the soul of this Mercedes...
They don't build them like this anymore. It's going to be a long road, but this Mercedes will shine again.
She's completely caked in 50 years of grime. The rust has really taken hold of the suspension mounts. It's going to be a challenge.
The first step in bringing this 1950 170S back to life begins here, clearing away years of grime. The application of the base coat begins. A cloud of deep black paint covers the gray primer.
Decades of oil sludge have coated this 1950 Mercedes engine. We use a powerful degreaser and wire brush to begin the painstaking cleaning process. Securing the cylinder head requires absolute precision. Following the factory torque sequence is critical to prevent warping on the 170S block. Hours are spent meticulously stitching the leather centers, recreating the original diamond pattern of the Mercedes-Benz 170S. Applying this first coat is critical. It seals the wood and really highlights the intricate patterns before the final polish.
This is it, the moment we call the marriage, the culmination of thousands of hours of meticulous work.
Attaching the re-chromed front bumper and grille. The bright silver chrome pops against the deep black paint, restoring her majestic face.
The final touch, snapping the iconic three-pointed star into place, symbolizing the completion of this restoration.
With the fenders freshly painted, the final step is installing the restored chrome. It's a delicate process, but worth it for the reflection.
The rebuilt engine of the 1950 Mercedes-Benz 170S roars to life once more, a successful rebuild.
And there it is, the unmistakable rhythmic thrum of the Mercedes 170S engine settling into a perfect idle.
After months of meticulous work, seeing the old Mercedes breathe again on the open road makes it all worthwhile. Found dormant in this very forest, the Mercedes-Benz 170S is now alive again, a pristine example of automotive history reclaimed.
The 1950 Mercedes-Benz 170S, a timeless design, effortlessly commanding the rugged
Look at her shine.
Yeah. Our masterpiece.
Restored to its former glory, this Mercedes now symbolizes the ultimate freedom found only on the open road.